Everybody's looking for a great cold calling opener, but too many of them put you in a submissive, begging role. How are you? How you been? This will only take a minute. Do you have 27 seconds? Boring. It makes you sound like a salesperson. And remember, what's the first rule of Sales Club? Don't act like a salesperson. So what do I do then, Brian? Here's the best one ever. I only have a minute. Now, people misinterpret this. They think it's about a minute. It has nothing to do with it, a minute. It has nothing to do with time. I say it because it creates urgency. It grabs their attention. They're wondering what is so important that if he's in a rush, he's calling me. And those are all the things that you want when you're calling. All the others go, it's a cold call. How do I get rid of them? Yeah, they may agree to your question, but they don't really want to hear your crap. What they want to do is get off that call as soon as possible. So they'll agree to anything and then not show up for your meeting. And after you say that, you quickly move on to, I only have a minute, but I was curious about. Then ask a question. I'm interested in. I was wondering how. This very quickly gives you the opportunity to move on to what you really want to ask and talk to them about. It works every time. Give it a shot. A lot of rookies have problems with it. So make sure you say it with confidence.